Welcome back again. Sunday. I'm at home. I've caused a bit of bee chaos as usual. With these ones, the swarm that come in on the shed. Been painting my boxes. I brought a couple of boxes back that were honey supers, right, they had honey in. Now yeah, they clean them up. I've been hassling my chickens. Hey Chuckies! Hey up, where's the other one? Where's the golden cock? Oh, it's on the perch at the back there. Yeah, they've been hassling my chickens, and a bloody another cat come to have a check out of my chickens trying to eat it, so I had to put this bird net in round them. Yeah, the bees are active. Something a little bit different. I'm going to change power steering pump on my Isuzu truck because they've got no power steering, and it is like trying to steer a tractor without no power steering. So it's down there, it's just 3 bolts, and then the pipes, from what I can see, it's like 2 10mm on one pipe and then a big dirty nut on the other pipe, which is the one that you've got to be careful with, and then 3 bolts on the power steering pump, and then should be able to yank it out. I've got the new pump. It's a new second-hand pump. Where is it? Here it is. It's a new second-hand oil steering pump. We've got oil, power steering fluid, so that's the mission, to change the power steering pump. Like some kind of Jason Statham. One day I'm a beekeeper, next day I'm the mechanic, eh? What do you reckon? And in the next movie, he's the gardener. Yeah, so 3 bolts, apparently. So I'll get cracking and then I'll come back and show you what's happening. Because we're going in underneath. I've took all the metal guards off. I've got one metal guard which needs a new bolt because the bolt's stripped out. So I had to cut it off. Weren't messing around, just cut it off. Ooh, that doesn't look too good, does it? That looks like it's about to exit the chat. Fan belt coupler. It's rubber and perished and not very good. This truck's high mileage. It's clocking on nearly 200,000. Although it does go alright, apart from that DPF crap and the regen crap. Anyway, so this is the new pump. So it's 1, 2, 3 bolts for the pump, 2 bolts for one of the pipes, and then 2 bolts for the other pipe. So what I'll try and do is just undo it all as it is now off of this one, so it's just straight swap the units. I managed to get £10 off the pump because I ordered one of the hubcaps for the wheel, and it looked like it'd been run over. It was a real bastard to get on. I don't know which one it was. Yeah, I think it was the one on the other side. It was a real pig to get on, like it'd been ran over, and it was all scuffed up to shit. I think it's that one on the back. It might be this one. So they give me £10 off the power steering pump, which was nice of them. Just hoping in a shit power steering pump. But yeah, I'm going to change it. A change will do you good. Right, so I'm going to get it from underneath, do it all from underneath. You've got the 2 10mm, everything's a 10mm or a 12mm. So I'm going to drop the bottom pipe here first, to try and catch the oil into the bucket. And then I'll do the top pipe, which goes down to the steering rack. The other one goes up to the bottle. So I'll do that one first because that's got the most fluid in it. I'll drop that out and then I'll disconnect both the pipes, and then I'll unbolt the power steering pump. Right, so I've got the old unit out. That's the new unit. I've just got to take that nut off there and put it on this one. It is literally two 12mm on one bolt on one pipe. Oh look, Max lost, well done Max, lost a bolt. 3 nuts, 12mm nuts on another bolt, and 2 10mm for the other pipe, but I've dropped one somewhere. It's here somewhere because it was there a minute ago. Now leaking oil. So I'm not sure how you'd know that your old pump's knackered. So it's kind of a guess. Might be the steering rack, you don't know, do you? Anyway, I've lost a bolt, so I'll get the new pump on and bolt it up once I find the other bolt. Yeah, it runs on a gear. The difficult bit is getting it to clear that, so you can bring it down and through, and you have to twist it at a funny angle. But we got it, and it has a O-ring, look, a rubber O-ring there to stop it leaking. So there's no leaks in the pump or any of the steering, so we'll change the power steering pump. While I'm under it, I'll grease the props as well. Oh yes guys, power steering's done. So it didn't take very long. It took like less than an hour, I'd say, to swap them over. But you've got to be very mindful, right? There's an O-ring in one of the pipes. Make sure you put that back in, because I didn't realise when I took the pipe out, the O-ring stayed in the old pump, and I took the pump off and just put the new one on and put the pipe on with no O-ring. Well, it didn't leak right when the engine was running, but as soon as the engine stopped, it started leaking. So I had to crack off the pipe, and the O-ring was actually damaged. It got pinched between the pipe and the fixing. So I ended up having to scramble to Alfred's and buy one of those O-ring packs and get another O-ring for it. I'm just dropping off some hives ready to bring bees up. But it's nice having power steering, look at that, one-handed. Before, oh, it was a nightmare. Now, like, we're stopped. You couldn't do that when you'd stop still before. That's, you know, so that's another thing fixed.